Okay.
Hi guys, I'm here at Pleasant Grove High School to talk about the bitchy teacher, Mrs. Keegan. Worst teacher on earth.
I have to bleep all
Not
it.
only is she...
Why do you have freaking camera?
Not only is she a fat she-man, she has a wife. Our student teacher.
She has a wife?
What are you recording? The camera's breaking!
Her
Oh no! Just kidding. Hi, PG.
Hi.
It's going on YouTube, by the way.
Okay. Wait, who are we talking
Why would you videotape Mr. Warbucks?
Who are you talking to?
It's called a camera.
No, you said hi someone.
I'm tying my shoe. I said hi, PG.
What? Are you serious? You can seriously step on me?
Come on.
What's up, Sean? It's cracking, man.
But he busted out a song for us.
Cut out my first part, because what if Miss Keegan goes on YouTube?
Oh yeah, because teachers do that. Like,
They
well,
do.
I know they seriously do though. It's fucking creepy.
Gasper. Wait, Marcus, come here.
Sean, what? Secret agent.
Are you retarded or something?
My
hair got stuck on the gun.
Ow. Her face is like.
What was my
Hey, man.
I got a bad mouth.
There's no need for that, by the way. It doesn't make you cool.
Mine are 10.
I did worse by 10 seconds. I don't even know how I did worse.
I've just been doing worse.
Are you videotaping the worm?
I don't know, because worms are fascinating. I want to be on geography.
What's up? Is that recording?
Yeah.
Shit, what
Not only can't do, you really couldn't do in the movie. But it also does blur, it does all kinds of stuff.
You down?
Pretty sure. I just need a video for my YouTube.
Just joking. I love you, Larry.
No.
Is that on gloves?
I know.
Let me see that. It'll probably look hella weird.
Yeah, Hunter, come here. Give me that.
What the heck?
Oh, my bad.
Why?
I hate people do that.
Oh my god, damn.
Shut up.
She's a werewolf.
Quit, please.
I wasn't on you. I was recording John.
Whatever.
Just kidding. Yeah, dude, I'm pretty sure. There it is, right there.
Oh, shit. Wait, where is it? Oh.
Quit.
I'm not recording.
Can I see this?
What are you doing, fool?
How do you play back?
What are you doing? It's still recording.
Oh, it is.
Stop it so you can play it back. You know it.
Okay, you want to see my house? My old house?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Actually, it's my grandpa's old house.
Okay, just show
He
me.
moved to Arizona, though.
No, it's not your freaking grandma's house.
My grandpa's old house.
Well, it's not. So,
Yeah.
No, stop lying to yourself.
No, that's my grandpa's
Evan,
old house.
stop lying to yourself. Stop. Because I know whose house that was. Because it's on fucking Cribs. You fucking liar. I know my shit, nigga. I know my shit.
Let me see.
I know my cars. I know my houses.
That's my grandpa.
I know my lakes. No, that's a freaking lie. I saw
You know
that
your
house on
lakes.
Cribs. I know my lakes. I know my backyard lakes.
The guy who lived there was Italian.
Don't lie to yourself.
Saying you're Italian.
That's what I said. I said, don't lie to yourself. I don't care if it's your grand. He tries to make it seem like. Imagine if I fucked you.
Did recording, you would have only.
No, you didn't. No, you
Now what?
have to record it.
The battery is like the biggest part of that camera.
Well, you could get bigger batteries. This isn't even the best battery.
Still, the battery is like the biggest single piece on that camera.
Cheap, huh? This is $500.
Dude, that really hurts. You guys hurt my feelings. Hey, later, guys.
Peace.
Let me get that.
Huh? Okay.
Let me buy that off you.
Buy this off me? No.
Yeah.
No.
It's like you're about to buy it. No, no.
I know. But fuck it on when it gets on YouTube, that my editor messes it up. So it looks all blurry when I'm moving way too much. Yeah.
Focus it.
No, like it's not the focusing thing. I already messed with the heck of it. It took me 2 months to figure that shit out.
No, there's like this video editing shit. We just like literally click focus and
No, it's not that. I know what you're talking about, but it's not that. Stefan over here.
Alright, let's just walk around.
You're gonna ruin the HD, man.
Yeah, man.
Ruin the Not only
Aim with me.
Dude, he's not recording. He's recording. Give me the camera. He's recording. Let me see the camera. Let me see the camera, Stefan.
It's not recording?
Yes, it is.
You're recording.
Yeah, I am
Higher
recording.
than that big, like that tall.
Wait, that?
What's that?
No,
Hi,
this
Ashley.
tall.
I'm putting Tori on
Hope
YouTube.
that breaks, 'cause I was at some fancy restaurant.
Stay still, stay still,
Somebody
stay still.
stepped down and it broke.
Why are you recording? Why are
She
you
likes
so
sticking her tongue out, like randomly just.
She does.
It's as if she's taking a picture, but not.
Look at my eyes, bitch.
You know, it's like really close up. It's like really close
No,
up.
it's not.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
Just
See?
see.
Because, well, you had it like.
No! See, it's
Yeah.
like really close up.
I.
Let's go. Alright, I gotta go. Oh,
Not Tori.
hello?
I gotta take a piss.
Thanks for notifying me.
You're saying that while I'm on the phone with my dad.
Oh, funny. Where we going, man?
I don't know.
Where we
If I
going?
had a camera, I'd be videotaping girls' ass. You fucking.
Everywhere. Find a good ass.